In this video, I'm just going to download the virtual Andrew and connect to Matlab that way, and then that should solve the problem that some people are having installing Matlab. So I've not done this before, let's figure it out. So here I am, I've gone to this link which I'll post on Canvas, and I'm going to download. I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm going to select Windows. It's going to ask me to log in. Log in using your CMU ID. Continue with the download. I'm just going to pause the video while it downloads. Alright, looks like it's finished. It brought me to this page with instructions here, so I'm just going to follow those. Again, I'm going to pause the video until the install is done. Alright, it's done. And it looks like we'll have to restart, so I'm going to end the video and make a second one. Alright, I finished restarting, so I'll go ahead and open it. And I'm going to press Add Server. Did I press it? Oh, double click. And we're just going to put virtual.andrew.cmu.edu as it says over here. Connect. I guess I'll pause the video for this. Okay, domain Andrew, is that correct? Yep, Andrew. General use. What's going on here? There we go. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so here I am on a virtual machine, it looks like. Let's check if Matlab is here. There's a little bit of a lag. That shouldn't be too much of a problem though. Oops. And here it is, Matlab. Let's go ahead and start it. Looks good. I'm just going to try a command. This command, symsx, is declaring x as a symbolic variable. So all I'm doing at this point is I just want to check if we actually have a symbolic toolbox installed. In a week or two, I think we're actually going to start using this command, and it worked. And so what that does is it lets us type something like this, x plus x, and that would be 2x if we're using x as a variable. symsx has already defined x as a variable, and you can see in the workspace over here we have a variable x, and it's a 1-by-1 symbolic variable. So if we enter this, we get 2x. That's correct. So it looks to me that the virtual machine does have the proper toolboxes installed. And so yeah, we should just use this machine going forward, unless you've already installed Matlab, in which case you won't have to deal with the transferring files from your device to this device, and you won't have to deal with the lag. So if you do have the installed Matlab, that is still ideal, but it looks to me that this one will work. Alright, so let's just find out how we disconnect here. Disconnect, right there. Yeah, that's fine. And here we are back on my own device. Alright, if anyone has any difficulty with that, just send me an email and I'll help you figure it out. But it looks like this is in fact going to work.